Welcome to the world of building management systems, or BMS, a field at the heart of the smart building revolution. As cities grow smarter and energy efficiency becomes a global priority, the demand for skilled BMS professionals is soaring. From integrating IoT devices to optimizing building performance, BMS experts are shaping the future of how we live and work. In this video, we'll explore the diverse career paths, essential skills, top certifications, and key tips for success in the BMS industry. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, this guide will help you navigate your journey in building management systems. BMS industry is rapidly expanding, driven by the global rise of smart buildings, stricter energy regulations, and the integration of IoT technologies. This growth has created a strong demand for professionals with expertise in BMS. These roles are essential for ensuring buildings operate efficiently, safely, and sustainably. As more organizations prioritize energy management and automation, BMS professionals find themselves at the forefront of innovation, making a real impact on both the environment and business operations. Let's take a closer look at the key roles available in this dynamic field. BMS technician is often the entry point for many in this industry. Technicians are responsible for the installation, wiring, and testing of field devices such as sensors and controllers. Their hands-on work ensures that all components are correctly connected and functioning as intended. This role requires attention to detail, a solid understanding of electrical systems, and the ability to troubleshoot issues on-site. As a technician, you'll gain valuable experience with the hardware that forms the backbone of any building management system. Moving up, the BMS commissioning engineer takes on a more technical role. This position involves configuring systems, programming logic, and conducting point-to-point testing to ensure everything operates smoothly. Commissioning engineers bridge the gap between design and operation, making sure that the system's logic matches the building's needs. Their expertise in programming and diagnostics is crucial for a successful BMS deployment, and they often collaborate closely with both technicians and designers. BMS design engineers responsible for creating the system's architecture. This includes developing I/O lists, designing schematics, and ensuring that all components work together seamlessly. Design engineers must have a deep understanding of both hardware and software, as well as the ability to visualize complex systems. Their work lays the foundation for successful installations and long-term system performance. If you enjoy problem-solving and creative thinking, this role offers plenty of opportunities to innovate. EMS operators and facility managers play a vital role in the daily operation of building systems. They monitor system performance, schedule maintenance, and respond to alarms or faults. Their responsibilities ensure that buildings remain comfortable, safe, and energy efficient. Operators must be skilled in using graphical user interfaces and interpreting data to make informed decisions. This role is ideal for those who enjoy hands-on management and problem-solving in real-time environments. BMS project manager oversees the entire installation and integration process. They coordinate teams, manage timelines, and ensure that projects are delivered on schedule and within budget. Project managers must have strong leadership, communication, and organizational skills. Their ability to handle multiple tasks and resolve conflicts is key to successful project delivery. If you're interested in leading teams and managing complex projects, this role offers a rewarding career path. EMS integration specialists are experts in connecting building management systems with third-party devices and protocols. Their work ensures seamless communication between different systems, such as HVAC, lighting, and security. Integration specialists need a strong understanding of networking, protocols like BACnet and Modbus, and troubleshooting skills. This role is perfect for those who enjoy technical challenges and working at the intersection of multiple technologies. Energy managers use BMS data to optimize energy consumption and reduce carbon footprints. By analyzing trends in system performance, they identify opportunities for savings and sustainability. This role requires strong analytical skills and a passion for environmental impact. Energy managers often collaborate with facility teams to implement energy-saving strategies, making a measurable difference in building operations and sustainability goals. To succeed in BMS, you'll need a blend of technical and practical skills. Key areas include knowledge of HVAC and electrical systems, understanding sensors and controllers, and programming and graphical logic. Familiarity with protocols like BACnet, Modbus, KNX, and LON is crucial, as is networking know-how. Basic SCADA or GUI operation, alarm management, and fault diagnostics round out the skill set. These abilities form the backbone of a successful BMS career, enabling you to tackle challenges confidently. BMS career ladder offers clear opportunities for growth. Most professionals start as trainee technicians, then move up to junior technician, engineer, and eventually senior roles like commissioning lead or project manager. With experience, you can become a system designer, consultant, or integration expert. Each step brings new responsibilities and challenges, allowing you to specialize or take on leadership positions. Continuous learning and hands-on experience are key to advancing in this field. Several leading manufacturers dominate the BMS landscape, each offering specialized platforms. Schneider Electric's EcoStructure, Honeywell's EBI and Webb's, Johnson Controls Metasize, Siemens Desigo CC, Tridium's Niagara Framework, and Delta Controls, IntelliWEB are among the most popular. Familiarity with these systems can boost your employability and open doors to new opportunities. Many employers value hands-on experience with these platforms, so consider training or certification with one or more of them. Certifications are a great way to validate your skills and stand out in the job market. Globally recognized options include Niagara 4 Certified Technician from Tridium, EcoXpert BMS certification from Schneider Electric, Metasize Engineering Training from Johnson Controls, Desigo Engineering Certificate from Siemens, KNX Certified Partner, and Certified Energy Manager from AE. These credentials demonstrate your expertise and commitment to professional growth, making you a valuable asset to employers. Continuous learning is essential in the fast-evolving BMS industry. Take advantage of vendor training centers from companies like Schneider and Siemens, as well as online courses on platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning. Certifications from organizations like BACnet International and KNX Association add further credibility. Industry events and webinars including AHR Expo and Light Plus Building offer valuable networking and knowledge-sharing opportunities. Staying updated keeps your skills sharp and your career moving forward. To advance in your BMS career, focus on gaining hands-on experience with field devices and programming. Build strong documentation and reporting skills, and stay updated with trends in IoT, AI, and energy analytics. Collaborate with HVAC and electrical teams to broaden your expertise and prioritize troubleshooting and system integration skills. By continuously improving your abilities and embracing innovation, you'll position yourself for leadership roles and long-term success in the industry. BMS industry offers a diverse and rewarding career path at the center of the smart building revolution. With the right certifications, continuous learning, and real-world experience, you can grow from entry-level roles to leadership positions in automation, energy, and digital infrastructure. Remember, your journey starts with curiosity, grows with practice, and advances through innovation. Embrace the opportunities, and you'll help shape the future of smart buildings and sustainable living.